we're into something we like to call social media check-in.
Yes,
Let's do it.
we are on social media check-in.
Yes, let's do it.
Daphne Hudson on Facebook. My daughter is in Jamaica. My son filed for me in 2020, so I am a resident now. I filed for my daughter about a month ago. When can I apply for my citizenship? My daughter is over 18.
How long has he had a green card?
Son filed for them in 2020, so 2 years.
So 2025. 5 years from the time you got your green card.
Walid Sukori on Facebook. I am a U.S. citizen. I applied for my wife. She has USCIS and NVC approval, but when she was evacuated to the U.S., she came as a refuge. How can I adjust her status as a refugee? How can I adjust her status? Which forms should I fill out?
Well, she was paroled into the United States as a refugee, so you'd fill out an I-485 adjustment application.
James Ford Forney on YouTube. I'm 33 years old. Should I do my derivative. Citizenship for an adult in the Philippines? Asking for your advice from a U.S. citizen father.
There's no derivative for an adult. There's a derivative of children under 21. There's some children over 21 who get to be included under the Child Status Protection Act, but for general purposes, derivatives are for children, not for adults.
Shayna L. Crowell on Facebook. My husband is from Mexico. I am from America. We are doing an I-601A. Do you know how long it will take? He has been in the process since 2019 and waiting. Also, will he have to do American history questions or just what's on the application?
Wait. The I-601A is a provisional waiver. What does it have to do with American history questions?
I guess for their citizen exam?
No. If you're doing an I-601A waiver, that's a provisional waiver to go home and come back. It's nothing to do with U.S. citizenship questions.
That's the info given. Then there's not too much support after that.
Unless you're asking for a waiver of the citizenship test?
We are doing, it just says we are doing I-601A.
Okay, there's nothing, I-601A has nothing to do with history test. An I-601A has to do with hardship to you, the U.S. citizen spouse, because your husband can't adjust your status here. You're asking for a waiver, which is forgiveness, to go home and come back. Nothing to do with U.S. history. The only time U.S. history ever comes into play is filing for your naturalization, and sometimes you can request a waiver of taking that U.S. history test in a naturalization application if you are 65 and been a resident for 20 years, for 15 years, or over 55 and been a resident for 20 years, or you have some sort of mental deficiency.
Yeah, it seems like just for the applications, because that's what they said after that history question, or what's just on the application.
All right, two more.
Mark John on YouTube. I got an email from immigration that my work authorization and green card application fee was waived. What should I expect at this point?
Should expect them to process your VAWA application just like anybody else whose fees they took. But actually, nobody ever pays for a VAWA application. Well, everybody's fees are waived on a VAWA application.
And last one from Ajag Esther on YouTube. I am separated from my husband, who is a U.S. citizen, but he has refused to pay child support or file for our 3-year-old. I am in Nigeria while he is in the U.S. What should I do? I need help.
Well, where's your child?
Sounds like in Nigeria with her.
Okay, so then you have to go to the Nigerian courts. U.S. courts have nothing to do with child support, only if the child's in the United States. So child support is based on where the child is, not where you, the mother, is or where the father is. It's where the child is. So there's nothing to do in the United States. Do it in Nigeria. Who knows what the laws are in Nigeria for child support. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.